Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers. I'm looking at a book from Oxford University Press. It's in the Blackstone titled series, and this one is Blackstone's Magistrate Court Handbook 2010 by Andrew Keogh. There's a photograph of what it looks like. This is the Flickr review, and my wife Elizabeth and I have written a review, and we've given it this title. Busy court advocate? This is your indispensable guide for you. And that's exactly what it is. So if you're a practitioner with a busy and highly pressured practice in the Magistrates Court, in our view you'll need Blackstone's Magistrates Court Handbook, because it covers those offences which you are most likely to experience frequently in court, and therefore it's brilliant for helping you with those short notice cases which require your immediate and considered response. As I've indicated in other reviews that I've done, there are a wealth of publications available about the Magistrates Court. All of them have their own particular pros and cons. I particularly like this because it's written very much in the Blackstone type of style of writing, which is easy to read, but it has sufficient detail. Very much what Alistair McQueen was trying to achieve when he set this type of book forward all those years ago now. Anyway, back to the book. Many of your colleagues will have the handbook, and if you have a copy already, do note that this is a brand new edition containing the latest up-to-date material, including rewritten and augmented sections of abuse of process and costs. Again, very important areas for us actually as advocates. It's particularly useful in the new comments on the youth court, one of the most complex aspects of Magistrates Court procedure at the moment. Something again that is commented on the press as I record this in the summer of 2010. The book's actually thoughtfully designed for ease of use in my view, and it's almost instantly navigable with a logical system of icons, frequent headings, bullet points, flowcharts and tables. You can't actually see it from here. Have a look on some of the websites like Google or some of the other ones where you can actually see a bit of the book, and you'll see it's not like a standard just sort of loads and loads of paragraphs. It's actually got a rather more picturesque feel about it, if you like. Now obviously there are extensive tables of cases, legislation, secondary legislation and so on, and our view is that this is, although it looks a bit big here, it actually comes in quite a handy pocket-sized format, which is practically damage-proof, quite helpful of course in the Magistrates Court. It's plasticated with a cover, and you can keep it ever to hand in your briefcase. And if you don't have this latest edition now, buy it before the hordes actually descend. It will certainly save you and your practice a lot of precious time. Thank you very much to Andrew and to OUP. Again, it's a book that I think is extremely helpful, but it depends very much on what you're used to. I'm used to this. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.